and welcome back to my channel. This is Tabiya here, sharing some steps which makes your picture look aesthetic. So yeah, let's get into the video. So here is the Picsart app. Now I'm gonna choose a picture and we'll go to the sticker section. Now I'm gonna search for aesthetic background. And I will choose one background from here and will resize it. Now I'm gonna go to the erase section and will remove the part of the sticker which is on her. Now I'm gonna go to the add photo section and will choose her same picture. Now I'm gonna crop it in a circle shape. Now I'm gonna go to the sticker section and will search for circle frame. And we'll choose one frame from here, and yeah, it's looking perfect. Now I'm gonna go to the filter section and we'll choose VIN3 filter, and yeah, here's the aesthetic picture.